Honestly, go figure, the one time I'm gonna film a video in like 3 months, my camera's dead. Hey guys, it's me Alexis and I'm here today with a brand new video. It's been a while. Hello, welcome back everyone. I don't know if I like this shirt. I kind of don't like it in this video, but it's okay. We're at a new setup. We're in the corner of my room instead of on the white wall. I just wanted to change it up, make it look better, make it look not as boring with just a white background. But for today's video, I'm going to be doing things I don't understand, and I've done this video before, like 2 years ago, and it was like a pet peeve video, so it's kind of like things I don't understand, and I get the world's most amount of hate on the video from people at my school, but because they hate on everything I do, which we'll talk about further in the video. But I've decided just to do it, change it up a little bit. I'm not gonna be like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I hate this, I hate this, I hate this. I just genuinely don't understand these things. So before we get into this video, make sure you guys subscribe and turn on notifications. I wanna come back to posting every single week. Just I had a lot of stuff going on that I couldn't post. Couldn't think of content for the longest time. So we're just gonna jump in. The more stuff you guys comment that you wanna see, the more I'll be able to post. So make sure you guys do that. Just turn on notifications. I'll put a little screenshot of how to do that. And yeah, make sure you follow me on all my social media. Everything is always down below, as well as my P.O. box. A lot of you said you want to send me gifts for my birthday because it's in a week, July 20th. So everything, letters you want to send, just cards, posters, down below. So I have a list of things I don't understand written on my phone, and I honestly just made this like 5 minutes ago. It's supposed to be longer, but I saw that my camera was dying, so can't do that. So the first thing I don't understand is slow drivers. And there's a thing between people who drive the speed limit and people that drive slow. So on my road that I live at, you can drive 30 miles an hour, and people drive 15 to 20 on that road. And I just don't understand it. Like, if there's a big sign on the road that says like speed limit 30, why would you continue to go 10, 15 under? That just makes absolutely no sense to me. Like, if I was in the front of a line and I had like 27 cars behind me, I would like just speed up or like go to a different road because I'd feel like really awkward. I'd be like, oh my god, all these people like want to like shoot me because I'm driving so slow. Like, I don't know, that's how I am. Like, if there's ever people behind me and they're like tailgating me really, really bad, I just zoom and I just get past them and then I do my own thing. But for an example of this, I was in an Uber yesterday. I was a really, really nice man. After looking for 15 minutes for an Uber, I just ended up canceling that one and finding this one. And it was fine, he was all good, really nice. But like, we were going on the highway that's 65 miles an hour, 60 miles an hour, and he was going 37. 37 on the highway. 37, like that's dangerous. Like, that's how you get your car hit. That's how you get like someone cutting you off. 37. Is that just one thing I don't get? Like, slow drivers just irk me. Like, I don't understand. So the next thing is kids acting crazy. And I love little kids, I love babies, I love toddlers, you name it. You see my tweets, I'm always obsessing over little babies. I'll like stop in like a store and be like, oh, the kid's so cute. Like, I have little celebrities on Snapchat, like 2 Chainz, just because his kid is so fucking cute. Like, that's just how I am. Like, I'm obsessed with little kids. But the thing I don't understand is like how parents just like don't control their kids. Like, I don't get it. Like, yes, their kids are gonna act out, they're gonna be crazy, but like, there's a limit. Like, yesterday I was in a chocolate store downtown Chicago, and these little kids were running all over the store. Like, 7 little kids, like 3 and under, just running around the store. And at like, it was like Ghirardelli, so at the store, I never know if I pronounce it right or wrong, but like, it has like the little milk chocolate with caramel squares. That's my favorite candy in the entire world. That's the brand. So like, they have like an aisle and it's just all individually wrapped little chocolates, and the little kids were just going there and stealing them and like putting them in their like pockets and then putting them in the side of their jacket. And I was like, if that was my kids, I'd be like, oh my god. And then they were like opening them right away and just like eating them, and they had chocolate everywhere. And then they would like run and like knock all the people in line trying to like get ice cream like over. Like, the 2 girls that were in front of me, they were like running and like knocking her over, and like she kept falling, and I was like, that is so embarrassing. Like, I love little kids, but like, if I was a parent and like I saw that, I would be like, oh my god, I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry. And these adults like saw that their kids were like doing all this, and they were just like, oops. But this wasn't even in my list of things I don't understand, but I'm adding it in now. there's one way to parent your children, there's one way to be completely extreme. Like letting them run around, that's ridiculous. But the people that put their children on a goddamn leash, I was literally in the airport and they were dragging this little girl by her leash on the ground. Like she was having a tantrum on the ground. They were just dragging her through the airport. Like I couldn't do that. Like hold your kid's hand, carry them, watch them, but a leash, like here doggy, like that's just weird. The third thing, well technically fourth, because I just added that one in, that I don't understand is social media kids. And I technically am a social media kid. I do social media, I do Musical.ly, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, broadcasting. I'm a social media kid. I'm on social media. But the thing I don't understand is I'm real. Like how I act in videos, I act a lot nicer in person low-key. Like I seem like, oh my god, like I'm so like head ass, hard ass bitch. But like in real life, I'm actually like a genuine person. Like people tell me like, Alexis, like you're funny in your videos, but you're like chill in real life. I'm like, yeah, I know. The thing I don't get about social media kids is the fact that they act like two different people on social media. Like on social media, they're like, oh my god, I'm a very good child. I don't swear, I don't give dirty looks, I don't get in drama, I don't talk bad about people, I do nothing wrong. I'm just like a perfect little picture. Okay, so my next thing is people worrying about other people. So this is a key factor to my life because people always worry about me and what I'm doing and they don't like me.
For example, all you people at my school that will be watching this video. Hi, there's only a like slim percentage of you that are actually my friends. The rest of you are fucking assholes and you just talk shit for no reason. So if you don't like me, don't watch this video, unsubscribe, block me, thanks.
See people like tweeting about other people's drama like on social media and I just don't get it. Like why do you need to be involved? Like yes, of course, I've done it, but I like knew the person in the situation. I wasn't just like an outsider. Or like the people in arguments when it's like, you know that fight, it's like you and another person and then someone goes on your side and someone goes on their side and that keeps building and building and building and building and it's no longer between you and the one individual, it's about your friend, like their friends and your friends, and then it's like, oh my god, this is ridiculous. Yeah, I can't stand that. I can't stand it. That's how like I've lost like 27 friendships because of that. Like, okay. And then the next and final thing I don't understand is prices of clothing between girls and guys. I don't get it how I can buy a shirt from Brandy Melville that's just white in a v-neck for $26 and a guy can go to Walmart and get one for $1. Like why? Do you know how much, like how fucking annoying that is? The fact that I can't go and get a blue shirt for the damn 4th of July without paying 30 bucks, but then a guy can literally walk in and be like, oh, you want this for free? Like it makes no damn sense. Like why? Like I'm gonna put a price of a guy's white shirt from Target compared to a girl's white shirt from Target. That makes no sense. And if it's not Target, if I can't find Target, then I'll do a different store. But guys, girls, that's stupid. That was my short little video. I just wanted to put something else. It's been about a month and a half. I'm so sorry that it's been taking me a lot longer. As I explained in the beginning of the video, I just had a lot of stuff going on and couldn't think of content to post. So again, comment down below what you guys want to see from me. Make sure you turn on notifications and subscribe to my channel, as well as follow all my social media in the description. If you tweet me pictures or post on Instagram with this user right here, my username, it's Alexis Simone, I will follow you back, retweet you, quote your tweet, DM you. I do that all the time. I like every picture I'm in on Instagram that I see. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys stay tuned because I'm going to be posting more. And yeah, I love you guys. Have an amazing rest of your day. Bye!